my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright guys, welcome back. Reporting from the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and get this bottom end of this engine toe down and get to the nitty gritty. Let's get it. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Illustrator Rock 254, man. Tune in for another one that you can see. Got an engine sitting sideways, boys in a daze. Texas shit. So basically what we're gonna do, get ready to go ahead and take the bottom end of the bottom end of the block apart. This is probably like technically my first time doing it. Pretty much anything else that I've done, you know, it's been strictly top end stuff. So now we're diving into the bottom end. As far as disassembly, I mean, at the end of the day, it's all nuts and bolts and clearances. So, and that's on assembly. That's not even disassembly. Sit back, enjoy, you know. We're gonna get this off for you. Now I want to say this is going to be the last bolt. Oop, there it is. Then there are, let's see, I want to say we going up to probably like 12 or 13. That's definitely a 13. That's definitely a 13. Jump one size bigger just in case. So yeah, definitely 13. Like I thought before. It did not like nothing about their 14. Y'all know me, I got the sockets everywhere. But the closer we get, So it ain't a. Oh, that's because that's a damn 12. It was in the wrong spot. Shit. I was like, nah, I know. Man. And so for those who don't know, this when this tray pickup tube, like I said, I'm pretty sure y'all have seen these videos all around the internet. I'm not reinventing the wheel here by any means or sorts of the imagination. This Windows tray is pretty damn clean though, I will tell you that. And so I'm gonna take these bolts for the Windows tray. Watch it. Get them bad boys right over here. Alright, let's see what we got here. I think we dropped the bolt off here. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, in the last video, I know we dropped the bolt off here. Just got a little bit of oil leaking, nothing major. See what size these bad boys is. Start taking them apart. Probably gonna have to put that crank screw back on for now so we can rotate this motor over and get everything done. Oh, crank bolts. Oh, crank bolts. We're gonna speed up this next part for the time's sake. Alright, so as you can see, got all the pistons out. Yeah, all the pistons out. None seem to have crazy wear on them. This is one of the bearings. Bearings look good. So, you know how we going. You know how we rolling. You know how we rolling. I'm not exactly, I don't even know if it makes a difference to put them back in order if they're going in a different block, but yeah, we'll find out. Let's see. Like I said, this motor, like I said, it didn't have like bad compression or whatever, but you know, there's rings and things. Closer look at them. Of course, we'll be cleaning these all up and stuff in a future video, but this is just the bottom end tear down video. Pretty much all we got left is our beloved crank. And flower there. So let me get to this last part and I'll cut you back on when we make this block finish looking like that block. Alright, so she's coming out. Shit. Hold on. Ooh. I didn't know this bit was so heavy. God damn. God damn, that's my first time ever lifting just a crank by itself, and bruh. So we got everything here: crank, pistons, we got the caps, -1 that's still over here. This is that one all the way, whatever. That was all the way at the end. We have timing cover, the back cover, remain sealed, whatever you want to call it. So now this block that we got is completely disassembled. I know it's kind of hard to see. I apologize. There's no light up under here, but it is what it is. But I think you get the gist. The breakdown is complete. And it's time to start cleaning some stuff up. And getting ready for the rebuild in the other engine. I'm gonna say the next thing we're gonna do, I think my bro Cat Loco sent me a link to like a ball hone or something. So we're probably gonna get that ball hone ordered. Once we get the bar home ordered, then we should be able to go ahead and honing them out and getting them ready for assembly. In the meantime, like I said, we'll be going ahead and cleaning up the parts that we do have here and getting them ready to go on to the next episode, to be reincarnated and live again and all that good stuff. So I'm about to get some bags, label some shit, and that way because I don't know how long this is gonna take. Like, we on the roll now, but we might hit like I don't know, it might be a month or two before we even come back to this. And then I'm gonna be like, shit, what this boat go to? What this boat go to? So tip of the day, always keep your boats labeled in baggies, Ziploc bags, you know, all that good stuff. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.